Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Tuesday heard two petitions challenging Ponda by-elections scheduled to be held on 9th April. The common contention of the petitioners are that this by-election is actually not required to be held because if this election takes place, means by-election takes place, then the elected MLA will have term of less than 1 year, which is mandated in law. The petitioners have further contended that there is no requirement at all for holding this Ponda by-election. During the hearing, counsel representing Election Commission of India and Chief Electoral Officer sought time to file response because the counsel submitted that he had just received the petition and he requires to consult the Election Commission of India's office in Delhi, hence he requires some time. Accepting the request of counsel representing Election Commission of India and CEO, the High Court has adjourned the hearing for Monday.
मजगती तेवटेन वेंचणूक आयोगान वेंचणुकीची तयारी नेटान सुरू केल्या.
तैयारियां सारी ठीक है. अभी हमने नोडल ऑफिसर्स की रिव्यू मीटिंग ली है. जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कमीशन की और सीओ ऑफिस से वो सारी कंप्लाई हो रही है. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का कोई इशू नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज पीसफुल. आज स्क्रूटनी चल रहा है अभी नॉमिनेशंस का और परसों आफ्टर द विड्रॉल फाइनल नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स हो जाएंगे. एसएसटी एफएसटी सभी अपना काम कर रही है और जितना भी मतलब हमारा जो सिस्टम है वो पूरा तैयार है. And hopefully everything should be peaceful, transparent and free and clear.
First round of commissioning is already over. So after the commissioning, we have dispatched the machines from the control room at the district level headquarters to Taluka headquarters. Now it is under the custody of RO in Ponda. Second round of randomization will be happening on 20th of this month, and on 31st we will be doing the commissioning.
मजगती काँग्रेसीन आपाच्या उमेदवारा आड ऑब्जेक्शन फायल केला.
चेक बाउन्सिंग केसीस दाखयले आमकां लाखांनी दाखयले एफिडेविटान. 2 चिटींग केसीस आहा विथ क्रिमिनल ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट हें दाखयलें ना. आतां बँकान नोटीस काडली ती हांव तें शेअर करतलो तुमचे कडेन. तेगे नांव क्लियर आहा थिंगा. त्या बँक अटॅच करता प्रॉपर्टी. रायट ऑर रॉंग तुज्यान मागीर म्हणून जाता तुजी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवपा जाता. 38 लॅक्साचे देणे तो बँकान. सो आतां तूं चिंत असलो मनीस इलेक्शनां बसता हें लिपयता पक्ष लिपयता म्हणल्यार पक्षाचे क्रेडिबिलिटी कितें. आम आदमी पार्टीची क्रेडिबिलिटी कितें. कसलो कॅन्डिडेट बसयला लोकांक लुटपाक.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडेंट.